Sportsman the Fish channel here. Today's video is going to be about burgers on the Sportsman's Grill. It's kind of a unique cook. It's a hibachi cook of hamburgers. Let's take a look at some of the techniques you can use to do burgers on this unique grill. It's not like a normal grill to cook on. Hope you enjoy the video. Well, I got asked in a previous video, what do I do to maintain my Lodge Sportsman? I'll just show you real quick how I keep the grill from rusting, and I don't really struggle to keep it clean, but the main thing is the rust. So all that I do is take a cheap canola, you can see made with canola, cooking spray, which is actually, if you're buying the Lodge spray, that's all you're getting is canola oil. So I just buy a cheap store brand canola oil, and before I start the cook, over the entire grill, I apply a light coat of oil, which will basically, all you're doing is re-seasoning the cast iron. And it's not real heavy. I got a little heavy right there, heavier than I normally like to. But that's the extent of it. Now when I cook, that grill will season. The method that I use is the single layer method. So basically, I'm making one layer of coals, plus minus 3 or 4 coals, because they will shrink as they cook. And I will transfer this then over to the chimney to light. And I will give a nod of my hat to the backwoods country cook, who calls this the one layer method, or the single layer method, something like that. So now we transfer this over to the chimney. You'll see it from other videos. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I use the side burner chimney light method. Spread that layer of coals in. Here we go. And go ahead and close this door all the way so that we have full control over the heat. We can always make it hotter, but it's really tough to make it cooler quick enough for it to matter. So now we will go ahead and get those burgers on. Now notice we didn't go for a massive sizzle right out of the gate. We want to ease into this heat because this hibachi operates different than other grills. So that's what we'll be doing for the next, I don't know, however long the cook is. We're going to be monitoring for flare-ups. Here we go. I want to add in some more heat, so we're going to open up that bottom damper halfway and see how the grill reacts. Alright, there we go. A couple of drips dropping off the burgers. That's exactly what we want. So they're cooking along nicely. I'm going to go ahead and do some rotation on them. I like some, doesn't do great grill marks on this grill, but I like to try and get some different grill marks on each burger. As you know, the real flare-up potential is going to come when we flip these burgers. You can already see that juice starting to build up, and when we roll that burger over, that's when we're going to risk that flare-up. Stay tuned. These burgers are starting, the juices are starting to flow through pretty heavily. That's when it's my indicator that it's time to flip. Let's go ahead and get these flipped and see if we get a flare-up. I did open up the grill a little bit further on the draft. Ooh, I wanted to add in a little bit more heat. Nice. I've got more burgers to cook. Since these have shrunk down some, I using 85-15 burger here. Made room for 2 more. We'll go ahead and add those in. A little bit more smoke. Again, watching for that flare up. I might back that damper down some. Stay tuned. Real quick, I just wanted to give you a sense of the flavor that is pouring into those burgers with that slow rolling smoke coming off those coals. All of that is just going straight into those burgers. These are going to be amazing. That first set is done. Ready to come off. These are ready to flip. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Reload. All right, you can probably see that these coals are slowing down quite a bit, and I've still got some more cook time left. There is 2 settings on this grill where you can flip this grate over and get closer into the coals. Got some other videos where you can see where that's an advantage for this grill as well. But for now, I just want to get these burgers closer in to those coals so I can continue to get that cook out of these coals. Again, you can see those grill gloves, just your standard grill gloves. And these burgers can go right back on. Finish up that cook at a lower level. Hear that sizzle coming back? I'm actually gonna close that draft door some so I don't get flare up. Be right back. I gotta go get the fries off the fryer. All right, 2 more ready to come off. And the last 2 ready to flip. So you can see how I gained the heat back by flipping that grate over. These legs being up now make it go closer. Again, check out the other videos to see what else you can do with this with the griddle on top. And I do a nice spatchcock chicken that way. Real quick, I'll just show you that seasoning on the grill. So we sprayed it with that canola oil, and you can see how that grill canola changed over to season, and it keeps that grill looking nice. There it is, final product. Looking very appetizing. The taste and smell is phenomenal. So success, another success on the Sportsman's Grill by Lodge. Thank you for watching Teach a Man to Fish channel. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video.